Yes, people. So right now, people, we are downtown Kingston, and feeling a little wooey. Not feeling really up right now, but I don't know when I'm gonna have time again to give you guys a proper downtown tour vlog. So I just dropped my body to the airport, and I say, you know what? Why not come downtown? I left my work guys up by the house doing the tile work right now. This parking right here, my people, is a safe parking spot. So anytime you're downtown and you're scared to park your car, I always park on the Arbor Street or whatever them call it. Or it's close to the ROK Hotel, is right over there. Digital buildings right there, the first vlog I did. And yeah, I think this is Orange Street. King Street's down the road, but I'm gonna walk from this area because we're gonna give a little tour. It's really wet, my people, so it's really wet right now. So, and I'm in socks, but I want to give you guys a real downtown tour of how downtown really looks. And today's a Wednesday, my people, so Wednesday it's like more of a half day for people who works, and plus it's been raining right now too, so it's not gonna be up, but we're gonna try our best. I'm gonna walk around to, I think I might just go get a haircut today also, but I need to. So we're back now, people, so we just go on a quick walk around tour of the real downtown right now. We're gonna walk out through all the places, you know, and see how dangerous them always as the downtown is. Like I say, it's been raining today, so a lot of the supermarkets them not gonna be open and stuff like that, but we are going a clean walk through same way. I'm gonna check it out, and we're gonna walk all the way around to the center. So we're gonna be walking into a big fat circle and see where I go. And I think we want to get a line up and a haircut too, so we might just do that. They have one of the sickest barbers downtown. The last time I come down here, in me use. So I say, you know what? Don't I drive past downtown already? Why not stop by him again and see where I go on? So I go and catch a flex, my people. Instead of scooters and stuff like that, nice scooters. If me have but rather just buy a car and don't if me buy back nothing down here, my people. This is a woodwork shop right here. Make furnitures and stuff. Yeah. Right down here now. I'm not sure what's down there, but it's probably a couple more woodwork shop and people who make beds and stuff like that. And yeah, my people, like, it's better to pay for your parking than be sorry. You understand? And pay a security people them. I have some nice Chinese product stuff right here. One thing and thing. I think I need to get a coffee right now too. Just get myself some energy while doing this vlog. Parking spot, yeah. But these are nice parking spots, you know, my people. But it's just not safe to what we have down there when you pay for parking. You understand? So I like that better. Supermarkets, again. You know? Call them what? Wholesales down here. The cane, man, I'll know I'm not eat piece of cane yet, you know. But the water next red pea soup. Just chin them down here. You know? Wholesale on top of wholesale, my people. People, so we're at the art, at the market. I'll go down some different places. Body's still outside. I sell them goods right now. I think this is the main street where I always buy me some wife beater. So I'm gonna look if them on a wife beater down in here right now. But like I said, people, it's a Wednesday. So not a lot of places open right now. Body still out here market. Body still a sell right now. Everybody afraid of camera people. So. I don't know what them afraid of. People them want it or something. I go up at the top part. All of the store them. Tell us it's still a rain, my people. Still a rain. Daddy, what is street on here? Princess Street? Princess Street. So we're on Princess Street right now. So I'm gonna walk over to Orange Street and King Street. So you can see the difference. Probably just walk all the way to the top, you know. But yeah, this is on Princess Street right now. I'm going to the real Jamaica, you know, my people. I think I know some obvious come and ask. Yeah, I think I've been here the last time. I have bags, lots and lots of bags. So if you have your girlfriend, you can buy her some bags. When I have no girlfriend, not buying no bags. So that's all that. So I bush up and stay. Oh, them have some crazy shorts. Probably can buy myself 2 more shots. So 1 for 9, and if you buy a wholesale 3 for 8. So that's $8 and stuff like that, my people. So 3 for 2. So it's like $20 for 3. Them have some shoes and stuff here. Nothing in real though, but that. You see if them have some wife beater for me. Get some large one. And have some hats, bags and shoes. I mean, so them now no tan tops I'm really come for, cause they don't know when you come for vacation or come to Jamaica and a suitcase you really live. So when you stuff them done up, you know say you have to get back more stuff again over and over again. So I just saw it stay, my people. So I'll go and walk the rock because I need to get some at the end of the day, because I run out of clothes and we buy the washing machine and we never put it up yet. So I can't bother use my cousin mad one. The washing machine never worked good yet. So I don't really want involved with the film washing machine, but still I walk the road right now with people. Still I do the test. Still I go on. Still on Princess Street. I don't know how this store got and sell a lot of Jamaican stuff. Yeah. So there's a lot of Jamaican outfits in this one. Some nice Jamaican outfits too. I'm gonna see them here. So $32 for one of them one here. Yeah, not bad still. But the price there still steeper than what them that sell at the flea market in Toronto. Still so over here go along too bad, my people. With them prices. Check out in here to see if them are not tank tops. But this place is not bad again, my people. Nice clothing and stuff. Let me ask them. I sell the tank top them a little bit too expensive. I know, so we can get them a little bit cheaper somewhere else. So I'll continue the journey and continue the walk and see. I really not in a rush right now. No, really not no rush. I'm going to ask the store how much them sell them for right here. So and sell tank tops? None? Alright. No tank tops again right here, some people. So and Mr. People, it's been raining and we're on Princess Street. I have these people right here now. They always come to this store. This store I always buy from still. So this store is not a bad store. I always have a nice 1 and 2 good stuff here. That's not bad. Here's where last time I got my slippers from. Yeah man. Everything fake though, my people. I heard a couple of these Crocs in Toronto though. All them fake though. But not bad. Bad. Again, with people, no tank tops. Again. But yeah, man, them have beer crocs and stuff. The female them who like them crocs there and stuff like that can come through. People start make people frightened and telling us say downtown bad. I make you afraid of coming downtown because downtown is not the worst place. Let me go check if they have any here. Yes, my people, so right, this I already know. This is why I'm walking through, you see? Because if you don't walk it through, then people bamboozle you at the end of the day. You understand? When I buy, I forgot to wholesale them. You get better deal when you got to wholesale them. You understand? So downtown looks still no my people, but show no. But I got the first wholesale and them want $4.50 for your tank top. And I know say I can get them cheaper. So I go over more around the corner. I don't know the street or name now though. And then we get it for a cheaper price at the end of the day. We get it. So from $4.50 we're going down to $201. So that's the best thing when I can come to town and buy some cheap stuff. Let me check out in here so. Cause look at the area cheaper. Let me see their shorts. I see them shorts, them have in here so still. I see no shorts. I don't really see no good shorts on my like still. I know no good shorts in here, daddy. Or them. Just them alone, eh? Or them only alone. I don't like them, man. Yeah, so I don't like them shorts still. But again with people, when I come back, I want to buy some shorts. Right around here, so I forward at the end of the day. Around here, so we forward at the end of the day, you understand? And buy where I buy. But now, continue the tour. This is the real Kingston right now, no people. Downtown flood out. Yeah, man. And I can't really walk around this because I have on socks. So I have to go back over here so and cross. See how the place look. And right now we go walk around the Coronation Market area for sure right now. Road I need to fix a long time. See? So we walk through with people, showing the streets. Now I have a man down here say some turkey neck. I find the turkey neck, man. Turkey neck them bad what here. The one of my virgin them come from Toronto, beside turkey neck. The man say, yo, turkey neck sweet him. So I try to find the turkey neck boss again. Show him grill and stuff. But right now we're downtown with people. Just showing you guys the real downtown right now. And that or that. Yeah, man. Some people are going to say, oh, you're not afraid to walk down here, sir. People them come from town and all about, yeah, man. Them don't know my family them down here. From me called two name. We go to the road, you know, with people, so. Now no fear which part we are going, you know? Because when I was a boy, you know, my people. I remember me used to sell a town when I was younger. I don't know if I remember sell the weed. To the arcade area, people in place here. So, not because you say we walk through them place here and them place are grimy. When them want to turn up in a matches lane up at top, you have Till Valley around the next area, you have Jungle, you have Rima, you have Trench Town. You have a couple other bad lane, you know, my people. So don't get it twisted. Yes, to me. I walk through like this, because anytime this place can erupt and get really vile. Yeah, man. Well, like me say, when me a youth, you know, my people, remember my grandmother used to bring her town for themselves. Shampoo and condition. Yeah, man. So they sell a shampoo and condition when you're 6-7 years old. I walk around, come from the dirt, there's it with people. We fight the fight. We get too tight, but you have to remember where you are coming from, you know. And this is the real life of Kingston at the end of the day. Yeah, man. Over there, so now, over there, so used to name Coronation Market. This next big building we just passed at the arcade, them say. And I'm saying people, it's a Wednesday, so a lot of people are packed up right now for leave. Because Wednesday are more half day work what people really do. So now only people really work on them days. You see it? So the people them love look on the camera like, and then we have videotape, and I scenery we have videotape, you know. The scenery. I don't really want to ask somebody no questions when we down at town, because I don't know how the place they already. Yeah, man. So around here so now, remember when me a youth, grandmother always have a stall right here, so yeah, man. I come at town, come sell shampoo and condition with her. Over there, so them still sell fish. Over there, so right now, one of my brethren them usually work over the wholesale over there, so them sell liquor and stuff like that. But otherwise from that, everybody just does them stuff same way. See? The grill money about him not there to them people. So probably just go get a soup. Cause I don't want some of my turkey neck them, cause I'm jerk turkey neck them bad. Anybody who come at town know who me attack. But I decide same street, I just come up from my people. But we are go down the same way. But we are turn the next way. Yeah. I turn the next way. People are sell them fish and I clean up them fish. And we just gonna make a walk around the area of them, so you can see a longer video of the real Kingston, Jamaica. And we're not pretty up nothing. Now in the street we are going to walk, because I want to show you the street. Down here really dirty today still, my people, but I just say it one more time, you know. Yeah, man. But this is the real street of Kingston, Jamaica at the end of the day. You want to walk around at the bus park area. That still. People, and don't get it twisted now, people set you up, you know, because people are watch you. And I make phone calls and stuff like that from beginning to make sure they know who are coming around the area. A videotape from you now, I get nothing. What you know if you get, you know you're good. You understand? So now put up your, if you come down in them place, now put up your camera up in a people's face and stuff like that, and you know, you can do your thing yourself. But like some people, today is not a hustle and bustle day, because a lot of the people are pack up right now. But I'm going to walk around to the King Street area, see if I can get myself a coffee. Because I know them have Circle K down here too, you know, people. The place name Welcome to Redemption Arcade. Like them do a lot of selling and stalls over there so too. And I continue to walk with people. Yes, man. Continue to walk around here, you know. Yeah. And people over there start look for me like them never see people with a camera yet. Yeah, man. The real street of Kingston, my people. Everybody's on their grind, everybody's on their hustle. Yeah, man. Every single body. Don't get it twisted. Place can erupt anytime. I kind of feel peckish right now, people feel so. That I need to get some food. I don't want a KFC. Eat KFC about 2 times in a row already. Can't manage it. I walk down on the street with people. Walk around over close to the bus park area. See me can go around the barber shop. But today I don't know if I got a barber shop still. Probably got the barber shop the next day. But I want to show you down the hustle and bustle same way. I'm still showing around the new side where them paint up. Graffiti alley. I do a music video around there before. So I really want to show you guys that area also. You know what, to people? A long time I don't show nobody over the park, you know. So let's go walk out the park and show you the park downtown. Then we try to get something to eat right after. Yeah man, people, when you're youth, man, they everywhere down here, someone. Down here, so our playground when we are grew up. Yeah, about 19. Yeah man. How that you have, daddy?
Peanut porridge.
Oh, peanut porridge. And a red pea soup. Nothing. Daddy. Red pea soup me want, you know. But yes, so people, I'm going to go over the park here and show you guys over how the park look. I think them say them have free Wi-Fi. So this is more like the center of Kingston, you know, my people. Downtown Kingston area. Think we can cross, red light. I'll probably pull back out around this. So. But this is a park here, my people. A long time I don't walk foot in the park here, my people. Years after years. Probably about 20 years. I don't come through this park, yes, sir. You can see them take good care of the park. Because you see them cut it down and everything like that. The park clean. Yeah. Park clean, people, like you can come over here and come relax. Yeah, bring your family and come through town. And don't be scared of coming down here. Yeah. Don't be too scared, my people. When over here really hot up, it hot up. When it calm, it calm. But yeah, we have to do a full circle throughout the park still. And look, you know, my people, you see how the park is nicer than Half a Tree Park? What is that in Half a Tree? And you're going to say uptown area that, and it's better. Look upon this park, my people. Look upon this park, yes sir. Sorry. Look upon this park. Now we are better than Half a Tree Park. We are better than Half a Tree Park. Half a Tree Park now I have nothing upon this, man. Nothing upon this. People them clean it up nice. Tell us them come back for them Kingston and my people and think of chattings. Over there so used to be the Daddy, over there so used to be Daddy again. What theater? Yes, so over. Over Pantomime? Pantomime. Okay. Okay, over there, so that used to be the Ward Theatre, my people. Alright, blessings here, Daddy. 1911. It's like you're a tour guide. Alright, okay. Alright, blessings here. Yeah, man. You see, I can ask some people question people and them answer you, the people and they're going to name off your head. So no, give the place them bad imagery there and stuff like that. So right now, I don't see me can I get a haircut today, you know, but I don't really feel for no haircut. I want to look bushy for now. Yeah, probably be bushy till Friday or Saturday. When the place done tile out, we'll get on line up. Bushy style. But yeah, people, I go down now upon the King Street area. Oh, how this now? I don't know how the man, you know. And then I'm up on the quarter, you know, up on the quarter. I don't know how him, you know. What him name? Eric by Publix. Honor by Salvarian. I don't know who that, yeah, man. If I don't know who, I don't know who. Daddy, you know who this? No? Yeah, we don't know who that. Them have free Wi-Fi in here, right? Mad thing, man. So yeah, my people, them have free Wi-Fi inside here where you can use and stuff and vibe out. So like if you have a security there right now, you don't know say a free Wi-Fi. Be download me, I download also movies, you know. I don't have too much good internet on my yard, you know. Bring out my laptop, you know, man. Holy nice pretty girls them over here, so see you with my people. Don't make people divert, you know say. So our next statue our next Monday. We don't know how him. So yeah, this statue is erected in honor of the Right Honorable Sir Charles. So that's Sir Charles them say, yeah, man. But this are the big gate them. And you can see the place is well protected with security and stuff like that. So I walk down here so to get myself a coffee so we can have some more energy. And there's a next statue here again. Whoever it is, the Right Excellent Sir William Alexander Bustamante. So this is a Jamaican national hero. Yeah. So this is a Jamaican national hero right here, some people. Alright. Sir Alexander Bustamante. I don't know if our time for crawl. Like our time for crawl. This is the famous bus park downtown. I think we do a little video. But now when I get a full walk through, I'm gonna go to Circle K right now. Get myself a one coffee. But if you can get a good soup, you get a nice soup first. So I go over Circle K right here, so. Flitters. I'll still go over. Because we do King Street already, you know. We do a part of King Street already, you know. So we'll go through the grimy part just now still. But we'll get a coffee first. I'll make a walk through, alright, with people. Again, you know, my people. Don't make nobody scare you out or nothing. I'm be afraid. Now we're gonna get ourselves a coffee. Hopefully they do have coffee. But yeah, this is a Circle K. Just like if you're in Toronto, they look alike. So yeah, man, check them out. Alright, people, I'm get a coffee and then go back on the street. Alright, with people, so we just get the coffee right now, so might get some more energy. Now we just go walk through the bus park right now, showing it a little bit tight, and then show you the grimy side for them, sell the grimy clothes them, and then we go back up from here because you don't know, you don't want to walk around too much. That camera in our hand. Too much. You understand? Some of them people they afraid of the camera. They not stop hide and run. But that's why I walk on the outside. So no problem with nobody. Or them people here. So this are the big bus park. You catch your bus them to go all across the country. Just from right here, a bus can bring you go Spanish Town. Next bus from Spanish Town, bring you go somewhere else. Then somewhere else from this you can reach from. Yes, I got a nigger, but it's going to cost you. And it's going to take some time. But it's like a bus park where everybody come and sit down and wait on the bus them over here, so yeah, man, this part more have to go through and show them my people, so you have to watch out for pickpockets and things too, you know, so after that. Can't remember what the street here called. It's the next street. But we walk back through the one here and go through. So there right now people them take over the street. The complete street they take over right here so with vendors. Down a town, down a town, down a town. Dear music, dear music. Down a town people. Yeah man, down a town. One do a next one just a walk through. This is down a town my people, down a town. So where all of the sale them go on. Christmas day, Christmas night, Christmas evening. And then call them. Yeah man. That's a nice one Katrina I get to see town. Yeah man, clothes and things. You understand?
$1,500. Boyfriend jeans are $1,500. Boyfriend jeans are $2,000. Woman for
Now we're back out where we started with people, so I'm going off the video right as of now. I'm gonna probably walk back through there again with my phone, get a phone vlog. So everybody again, please like, share, subscribe. I don't know. It was the walk of the real downtown Kingston, where a lot of people don't really do. But don't tell them say we're not free no way nobody. From your Father God with we walk go anyway. You understand? So we're gonna walk back through our phone now and get a quick video vlog. You're gonna see that down a town, down a town, down a town. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. And right now people, we're entering Tools Hardware. I think we're at 3 miles right now. So just gonna go on a quick walk through. I'm going on a quick walk through of the stuff with them having here, so I could just kick it off because I don't have too much time. Kick it off with the kitchens, faucets them, 12,000 off of the one, not too bad. To me buy one of them in Toronto, you know, that's not too bad too, 8,900. And right now people, we are Tools Hardware. Bathroom things them, not too bad. This one's not bad at all. You know, buy one of them money. The prices them not bad enough my people. Prices them not bad at all my people, so yeah. But let's now go check out the tiles and stuff. And so all of the plumbing supplies them what you need and everything like that. And kitchen countertops. You can see some of my price them. You don't have to buy any like that. That's good. Door locks and stuff. Tiles and stuff. The last time I come people buy, I'm gonna buy some of these tiles right here. So they're not bad at all. More tiles again my people. So, not bad tiles them. Some of the prices per tile them my peeps. Oh, I have to go check out the bathroom tile them. Some of them tile are big too. Oh, look at vlogging man, I show off the place and people them like to see the prices I stuff them when I'm watch it for online. Because when you're overseas you don't really see. You know what I mean? So you give them like a more in-store. Yo! We are push already? Judge God never come back here next year. Alright. But she not ready yet.